Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? I'm doing great. Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to make Guyanese Pine Tart. Pine Tart is a dessert that it has some pineapple filling and it have a flaky outside. It's very delicious. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make it, and you guys could make it home because it's very simple to make pine tart. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. Also, I have an Instagram. Can you guys please go and like my page and follow me as well? The Instagram name is Cooking with Afton. It's the same thing as the name of my YouTube channel, so go and follow me on Instagram, guys. Also, you can see all my ingredients in the description box down below. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I made this last night about 10 o'clock. Yeah, about 10 o'clock last night, so I'm gonna upload it today. Also, you guys can look out for my cheese straw video because I'm gonna upload that as well today. So you guys gonna see both videos today, my pine tart and my cheese straw. So hope you guys enjoy watching my video, and here's my ingredients. Hi guys, here's my ingredients for my pine tart. I have here some fresh pine that I just peeled, so I'm gonna blend this up. Also, I have my shortener and my butter, my brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you want. I have my egg yolk. I have my cinnamon stick. I have half teaspoon of salt and 3 cups of flour. Also, I have 1 cup of ice cold water. You have to use cold water. You can't use warm water. You have to use cold water, okay? Because if you use warm water, it's gonna melt the sugar and the shortening, and you don't want that, okay? So use ice cold water. Okay guys, the first thing you need to do is put your shortener in your flour. So you put shortener in flour. Okay, I just put my shortener inside, so I'm going to put my butter now. And I'm going to use my hands to mix it up. You can use a fork as well. And mix it up until it gets flaky. Okay, I finished mixing up the flour and the shortener and the butter. You see it's nice and flaky here. So what I'm going to do now is just put in my half teaspoon of salt and mix it up like this. Yeah, just mix it up like this. So now we're going to use our cold water. Okay guys, so this is my ice cold water here. So I'm going to throw about half cup of the water for now. And mix it up. You can use your hands, or you can use a fork or pastry cutter, anything you can use. And the reason why you're using the ice cold water is that when you mix it into the dough, it helps the butter and the shortener. It helps the butter and shortener from melting, so you can able to get a nice flaky crust. I'm just gonna put a little bit more and use my hands now. And try to form it now into a ball. Okay, so I took the dough out of the bowl, so put it on my countertop here, and I'm going to knead it up for about a minute, and then try to get it in, fold it into a ball like this, and then what you're gonna do, some people use plastic wrap, but I don't have that right now, so I'm just gonna use a Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna gently put it in the bag like this, and seal it and put it in the fridge for an hour, and we'll be back. Okay guys, I'm gonna blend the pineapples, not too soft. Okay, that's enough. Okay guys, so we're gonna I just finished blending the pineapple and I put it in the pot to boil. So what I'm gonna do now is put in my sugar, 3/4 cup of sugar, and my cinnamon stick, and just let it boil for about 15 to 20 minutes until it gets thick. Right now it's runny, so you have to boil it until it gets thick. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay, my pine has been cooking for about 15 minutes. You see how it's getting thick? Yeah, it needs to cook for about 10 more minutes till it gets a little bit more thicker. Okay guys, so it's been about 8 minutes and it's look like it's finished here. You see, it's thick and nice. So I'm gonna take off my stove here, and I'm gonna take out this cinnamon stick. And let this cool for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and then I'll take out my dough out the fridge and I'll show you guys the next step. We'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put some flour on my counter here, and I just took out the dough out of the fridge. I'm not going to use all of this, so I'm just going to use half of it. So I'm just going to break it in half like this, and I'm going to put this rest in the fridge. So I'm going to press this down and put some flour, and then turn it over and put some more flour here. And just flour my rolling pin. So what I'm going to do now is just roll it. Roll it till it's about half of an inch or so. Okay, so I just finished rolling it out. So what I'm going to do now, I don't have a pie cutter, so I'm just going to use this. Cut them in circles. Okay, so I got 7 circles here. I'm gonna put them aside, and then I'm going to roll them back one by one. Okay, this is the scraps we'll leave back. So what I'm gonna do is just spread it out, and roll it and make some more. So this is one I cut in circles. So what we're going to do now is just roll this and put some flour on my rolling pin here. So what I'm going to do is just roll it. Like this. Okay, so I just rolled this one out. So what I'm going to do now is put the pine inside and just spread it around like this. Spread it around, put a little bit more, and just spread it around. And what you're going to also do is beat up your yolk like this, and then you're going to put some water, like a teaspoon of water in the yolk, and mix it up like this. And then you're going to take a brush and just turn it around like this. The egg yolk now is going to help it to seal properly. So what you're going to do now is just fold this over like this, and fold the other piece over like this, and then you fold over this like this piece like this. See? Simple. And then you pick it up and you put it in your pan. So you're going to take another one now, and you're going to put it in like this, and then you spread it out. I know it's very tempting to put a lot inside, but don't put a lot because you can make it burst. So that's enough there. And you're going to take your egg wash and rub it to the side. It's going to help it to seal properly. So you're going to fold this like this, fold it in like that, and then fold in the other one like this, and then lap this one over like this. Perfect. What we're gonna do now is take the same egg yolk and just lightly brush the pastries one by one. So all the pine tart, I just finished putting my egg wash in it. So I'm going to put it in the oven to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll check it back in 15 minutes. Okay, so my pine tart is finished. It's been baking for about 20 minutes. I'm going to put it on the cooling rack now. Looking so good and delicious. I'll show you the end results when I get back. Okay guys, so this is the end results from my Guyanese Pine Tart. Looks so yummy. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up, and also you can leave a comment down below. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching my video. This pine tart came out wonderful. It's very crunchy. Let me break one so you guys see the inside of it. See, this is the inside here. You get this top part. Yeah, you see the inside, you have the pine inside. It's flaky and nice. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god, it tastes so good. It's 11 o'clock at night. Oh my god, it's hot. It's 11 o'clock at night, and I just finished baking it, so I'm not gonna show myself eating it. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Bye.